Imagine standing in the middle of the world's most arid desert. The sun scorches the cracked earth. The wind sculpts endless dunes, and yet, hidden beneath the surface, life is quietly waiting. Fish, seemingly frozen in time, survive months, sometimes years, without a single drop of water. This isn't just endurance. This is evolution's masterpiece, a precise orchestration of cellular, molecular, and organ-level survival. These desert fish enter a state called aestivation, a suspended animation far more extreme than hibernation. Their heart rate drops to almost nothing, oxygen consumption plummets, and neural activity slows. Yet every cell remains primed for survival. Specialized sugars, such as trehalose, replace water in cells, forming molecular glass-like matrices that stabilize membranes, proteins, and even intracellular organelles. Mitochondria reduce activity, ADP production slows, yet the system remains perfectly poised. Their gills and kidneys perform delicate osmoregulation, balancing salts and conserving water with exquisite precision. DNA is shielded against damage, transcription pauses, and reactive oxygen species are suppressed. Muscles subtly contract to maintain structure. Neural pathways stay intact despite inactivity. And the circulatory system pauses almost completely, as if time itself has frozen. Statistically, these fish can endure over 18 months without water. When rains return, revival occurs within mere hours. Rapid metabolic reactivation, enzyme activation, and cardiovascular restart happen in perfect synchrony. Their stress response genes, some akin to tardigrades, allow them to wake fully prepared for feeding, movement, and reproduction. Evolution has sculpted an organism that not only survives the impossible, it thrives. This is life in extreme slow motion, a natural demonstration of resilience at every biological scale, from genome to organ system. It is a reminder that nature's ingenuity often surpasses our imagination, challenging every preconception of what it means to survive in the harshest environments on Earth. The moment rain touches the desert, life explodes back into existence. What looks like a miracle is, in reality, one of the fastest biological reboots ever observed on Earth. Within minutes, dormant desert fish begin rehydrating their tissues. Cells swell back to functional volume. Enzymes reactivate, and mitochondrial respiration surges from near zero to full metabolic power. Heart rate accelerates rapidly, restoring circulation in a perfectly timed cascade. Neurons resume firing, synapses reconnect, and muscle fibers regain contractility. Unlike mammals recovering from hypothermia or coma, these fish show almost no cellular damage, thanks to their preemptive molecular defenses. Studies show survival rates exceeding 90% after year-long desiccation, an achievement unmatched by most vertebrates. But survival is only half the story. These fish immediately shift into reproductive overdrive. Eggs mature within days. Spawning begins almost instantly. Some species complete their entire life cycle, growth, reproduction, death, in just 2 to 3 weeks, racing against the inevitable return of drought. This is evolution optimized for urgency. At the molecular level, stress response genes shut down while growth and reproduction pathways ignite. Hormonal surges trigger feeding frenzies, rapid tissue regeneration, and accelerated development. Every second counts. These fish don't adapt slowly, they exploit chaos. For science, this is more than curiosity. Desert fish are models for biomimicry, preserving cells without water, stabilizing organs during metabolic shutdown, and restarting life without damage. Their biology informs drought-resistant crops, long-term organ preservation, and even future human survival strategies as climate change intensifies. These fish prove a profound truth. Life doesn't just adapt to extremes. It can be engineered by evolution to expect them. In a world where water is becoming scarce, their story may be a preview of the future.